Hey, Peanut. Are you eating the cat's food? Are you eating the cat's food? Hey, little babies. I think I got something over here. Say good morning. Good morning. I'm a pretty girl. Peanut, you don't even care, do you, girl? You don't even care. Good, baby's playing with you. Look at her. What you say, Peanut? What you say? You got some friends? You got some little friends to play with? Oh, he's hiding. He's a hiding. Where'd she go? Oh, there she is. What do you think about these crazy little cats, Peanut? Look at him playing. What is that him playing? Look at this one here. She's playing with a towel hanging off the bench. Oh, there she goes. Oh, going down the steps. King of the mountain. Oh, I'm gonna get you. Woohoo! And then there's the big cat. Here's Princess. What are they doing, Princess? You see him? Get him. You gonna play with him now too? You gonna get in on the action? Oh no, she's gotta clean. Boy, they're quick. Did you get her, Princess? Get that tail. Get her tail, Princess. Get her tail. Get her tail. Be nice now. They're just babies. And they love to play. Look at them over there. They're having a wrestling match. Oh, well, wait a minute now. I don't know if I want to mess with that one. Oh, look at that tail. I could play with that. She says, oh, I could play with that tail. Oh, you resting? Everybody taking a little break? I see everybody's taking a little break, huh? Except for this one. She's thinking about getting Princess's tail. What do you think? Princess says, don't you dare, little one. I'll smack you. Uh-oh.